Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Jurassic World Rebirth surprise fold. Now, if you guys haven't gone and seen the movie yet, you need to definitely go see it because it is awesome and I think you'll love all the new dinosaurs in it. So, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Jurassic World Rebirth surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by drawing the DRex. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up. It's going to come over and then down for the nose. I'm going to make a little curved line inside each one. Next, right above the nose, I'm going to make this big curve shape here and this big curve shape here for like the top of the DRex's head. And I'm going to kind of curve these lines up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up and down here for an eye. And then same thing here, up and down. Then I'm going to curve this line here, curve this line here. And we'll add a couple little extra lines kind of right around the eyes. Next, starting here for the bottom part, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Now I want to make this line come over and up here. And same thing on this side, just kind of bring it over at an angle and then up. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and in and up to here. So then kind of up and in and then up to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line down right here and here. Then we're going to curve this line down for like the arms. Then right here I'm going to go down and up, down and up. We're going to go down and up, and then down and up for those little arms. We'll go up and down. Same thing here, down and up, and then back down. Curve a line here, curve a line here. And then we're just going to connect this line right here. Then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines on the head. And then a little line right here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, when we open this up, we have these two halves of our DRex. So, first thing is, let's go ahead and we're going to make the mouth over here. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of come over, up, and then back down. And then over here, I'm just going to go down, across, up, and then down here. Now let's make some of the dinosaurs in here. So starting off here, let's make the Mutodon. So I'm just going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I want to make a check mark above it. And then a little bump over here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, make it kind of pointy. Now I'm going to make another line that's going to get kind of pointy and kind of curve back and up. Put two little dots for the nose. I'll do a little curved line for the mouth. Now I'm going to bring this line back and down, back and down, back and down like this. I'll put a little line or two around the eyes for some detail. Over here, I'm going to make Dolores, the little aqualops. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and down. And then I'm going to go down and up here. Another one's just going to go down and up. We'll do a little dot on each side for her nose. And then we'll make these little curve lines right inside of here. Do a little curve here and a little curve here. Then we'll put a little circle on the top and a little one on the bottom, and we can just kind of color in the rest of this part. Then we'll make a little bumpy line right across the top. We'll come down and in, and then down and in. Then we'll go down and then come up to here. We'll put a couple little bumps here and a little bump or two here. Then we can make a couple little bumps for her foot, and we'll do a little line here for her other foot with a couple little lines. Then right here we can make some curves for the neck of the Mutodon. Now over here, let's make the Mosasaurus. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'll make a line that's going to kind of curve around it. I'll make a bump right here. And then I'm going to make a long line right here. I'm going to come down and up here, and then back down and come back for the mouth. We'll make a line here, and then we'll make some little teeth in there. And we'll do some sharp teeth right here. We'll do a dot up here for the nose. And we'll just bring this line back. Now I'm going to make a circle for the eye. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. And on the Mutodon, I'm going to make more of a skinny one and color it in. Now I'm going to make some little lines on the mouth of our Mosasaurus, like this. Now over here, I'm going to make the Titanosaurus. So I'm going to make a circle for the eye, and I'm going to put a smaller circle inside and just kind of color in the rest. I'll make a nose, or front of the mouth right here that kind of curves down and back here. Make a little line that comes down and over. And we're just going to kind of curve this line around. Make a little dot. And we're going to make a big bump for the head, and we're going to curve it back down. A couple more little curves, and then bring this down. We'll put some spikes on the back, and we'll give it a little eyebrow. Next, over here, let's make the Quetzalcoatlus. So let's begin by making a circle for the eye. I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. We'll make a little eyebrow up here. We'll make this line come out, and we'll go up. Then we'll make a big line come out for the beak, and we're going to come all the way back here. We'll go down, and then we're going to jump around this and curve around here for the beak. Put a little dot for the nose and another little line down. We're going to bring this line back and then curve it down and make a little line here. Then over here, I'm going to draw the Spinosaurus. So I'm just going to make a little circle. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving a little white. Make a little check mark above it. I'm going to make a little line that goes here. A line and then a bump. Make a line that comes out. We're going to curve around and make it kind of round. And we're going to go down and back here. 2 little dots for the nose, and we'll make another line that's going to curve around here for the mouth. And we'll put some sharp teeth in there. And then right back here, we'll make like the sail of our Spinosaurus. We'll make a little kind of broken oval shape there for some detail. Next, let's just add some teeth inside of the DRex's mouth. So we're just going to put some sharp teeth in here. And then we'll put some sharp teeth down here. We'll make a line down on each side, and we'll kind of bring this line up. We'll make a line that comes down and a line that comes up. And we'll make this line come down and connect it to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Jurassic World Rebirth surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our DRex right there. And then when we open it, we have a bunch of the dinosaurs inside. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.